Struggling with late payments on your credit report? Learn how to remove them and boost your credit score fast. Late payments on your credit report can feel like a heavy burden, but here's the good news. You can take action. Start by reviewing your credit report for accuracy. If you spot a late payment error, dispute it immediately with the credit bureau, providing clear evidence like payment receipts or bank statements. For accurate late payments, consider writing a Goodwill letter to your lender. Politely explain your situation. Perhaps you faced an emergency and request a removal. Many lenders appreciate honesty and may help. Another option is negotiating a pay-for-delete agreement if the late payment is tied to a balance. Offer to settle in exchange for the record's removal. Remember, persistence is key. Monitor your report regularly and stay consistent with payments moving forward. By tackling these late payments head-on, you're not just improving your credit, you're taking control of your financial future.